Number 5, we have a grocery store bought ice cream for $2.70 per half gallon and stored it in 2 freezers. During the night, one freezer malfunctioned and ruined 14 half gallons. If the remaining ice cream is sold for $3.96 per half gallon, how many half gallons did the store buy if they made a profit of $63? So again, this one is looking for that profit equation. Okay, so I need to figure out sell, what did I sell them for, minus what did it cost me to get them, and that's going to equal my profit. Okay, so right now we know what we sold them for, but we need to multiply that selling price times the number of ice creams that we sold. Okay, so we don't know how many half gallons they got, so I'm going to let X, and that's kind of what the question is asking, how many half gallons did they buy? So usually the question gives you the variable that you're looking for. So we're going to say X is the number of half gallons. So this is how many half gallons we originally bought. So my selling price was $3.96. So $3.96 times how many half gallons did we have? Well, we had X of them, but we lost 14 when the freezer stopped working. So however many I started with, I have to subtract 14 from that, and this is going to tell me the amount of money I made off selling what I had. And then I need to subtract the cost. So it cost me $2.70 to get them, $2.70 each. So $2.70 times X. So I sold them for $3.96, but I bought them for this. When I bought them, I had this many. When I sold them, I had 14 less. And when I calculated this difference at the end of the day, we made a profit of $63. So once you set this up, okay, we should be able to solve. So we're going to distribute the $3.96, and then we'll combine like terms and then divide to solve for X. So let's find out what $3.96 times 14 is, so that's what we need. Okay, so distribute, we get 3.96x, and then distribute, we are subtracting 55.44. So this essentially is the amount of money that we lost because we didn't get to sell those 14. And then minus 2.70x equals $63. Okay, we're going to combine the minus 270 and the 3.96x. When we subtract those, because this is subtraction, this one is positive, we end up with 1.26x, and then minus the 55.44 equals $63. We're going to add 55.44 to both sides. This will go away, bring down 1.26, and this is equal to 4, 4, 8, and 11. So 118, and I forgot my x here, 118.44. And we're going to divide this by 1.26. So 118.44 divided by 1.26. So it's telling us that we started out with 94 half gallons of ice cream. Losing 14 would still give us a profit of 63.